And believe me, the central banks are in control of these things. They're in control of price. And you think they're just in the business of making monetary policy for the sake of managing an economy for our country and no profit from it? Get out of here. Come on. Get out of here. This is the way it works, folks.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Feromi, and in this video I'll be talking about what I think YouTube should be doing in the next few weeks and what are my thoughts and what exactly to what IFDA is doing. I hope you understand what I mean by IFDA. And if you don't understand what I mean by IFDA, you can check out the Inner Circle Trader. That's my mentor. You can learn one or two things. You don't have to be a trader, just to have more information about what IFDA is and how price is being delivered. But I'm not going to be talking about that in this video. So I'll just be talking about what I think the Bitcoin should be doing. So you have to grant me a little bit of liberty in this video, as I'm still a new YouTuber. The mic, the accent, and everything, I'm just have to grant me a little bit of liberty in this video. And if you like this video, I'll really appreciate if you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification for you to get more information. Even though the video is not yet that standard, but I think there's a lot of information that can be shared ahead and we can learn one or two things and rub minds together. With that being said, let's get to the video and what we are here to talk about. So first of all, we start from the monthly. I start from the monthly. Okay, from last year, from 2021 November, the price started dropping after running out the liquidity resting above here. For most traders that are more into indicators, robots, all this channel that are like, hey, this stuff, I don't know, like, let me just call it I like to call it entertainment. That people, traders that really love entertainment, this video might be a little bit boring for them. They might not find it interesting, and probably right now they are cutting it off because it's not entertaining. I'm not showing this and that and stuff like that. But with that being said, again, let's get into this for those that really want to know what's going on or what I think is going on later. Now, on the monthly time frame, this is the market from 100 to 50%. This is a premium area. This is the equilibrium. 50% is the equilibrium, and from 50% downward to 0, that's a discount price. Now, the price, I've been studying this in my own personal journal for the past few months. I started learning more about Bitcoin. I started, okay, let me see what Bitcoin is doing and one or two things like that. Now, for the past few months, I've been having it. I have a journal where I've been looking at price, what price we're looking up to and stuff like that. But the monthly time frame, this is a bullish order block. The price has been reacting to this bullish order block. I'm still looking forward for lower prices in this market. Now, let me make this very clear from the beginning. This is not a financial advice or for you to sell whatever or this or that you are holding. This is just my own thought and personal. I personally don't have any cryptocurrency or any whatever. I don't hold it. I'm a trader, and all I do is just study price action. This is just for educational, or let me call it for practical aspect alone, not a financial advice, please. So any loss or win you are having, you should be held accountable for it. I hope I'm able to make that clear. So for the past few weeks on the weekly, this is the chart. This is the kind of pattern I was actually looking at. I don't like to call it pattern, but it is still what it is. I would just prefer to call it a pattern. I think that would be much better. So after price running, the liquidity resting above this high, like that has been tossed around on the internet to 100,000 to this. Anybody that understand what actually deliver price is being delivered on an algorithm called the AI, artificial intelligence. You have to study more about that. When my mentor talked about it a few weeks back, I had to do more research about that. It's not about I knew it wasn't about the buying pressure or selling pressure or whatever is being tossed around the internet is what actually lasts. This man buying 50 million, someone buying 50 billion, a company putting this and this. That's not what is actually delivering the price. The price is moving up and down because of to run basically on liquidity imbalance and rebalance. to learn more about that, you have to check out the Inner Circle Trader. He is my mentor and he has more information about that. So yeah, I will just be my own personal thought and my own personal review. So this is a kind of pattern. Let me just put it in that way, or let me just call it the pattern that I've been looking up to in the price. Now, for the past few weeks, I've been expecting price to respect. You check my first video to respect this fair value gap, that is after breaking the market structure. This is the market structure shift. Look at how powerful the candlestick is. Now, most people will be like buying pressure. Now, this company is buying this is buying that, or whatever is being tossed around the internet is not what actually move the price. If it is that easy for a company or whatever, whoever it is, to push the price, why are they not buying now? Why are they not pushing it to 1 million or this? But today is not, I don't think today is a day for that kind of conversation. So let's talk about this for right now. Now, the market structure has been broken. This is a confirmation for me now. So it won't look like, yes, it has happened in the back, or yes, it's just trying to say what is it because it has happened. It's just as it's been called. What is it called? Yeah, I can't really remember that, but let me just bring out this for now. This is a screenshot I have from the past. Oh, sorry, this a daily. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this fair value gap has to be respected. I'm expecting after breaking the market. I don't have the screenshot of that, but I have the one for the daily. I'm sorry for that. I don't have that. I have it on my laptop, but I can't really remember where I placed it. That has to be respected and priced down. Right now, I'm expecting price to come down below 28K. Once again, this is not a financial advice or for you to go in and trade in live funds or whatever. No, any loss or profit that is being taken by you, you should be held accountable for it. This is just my own personal review. So on the daily, now if I'm to, on my demo account, if I'm to trade this, that is for my own personal, this is called a high city breaker block. We call it a breaker. That is, the market structure has been broken. This is a breaker block. I consider this swing as a breaker block, and if I'm to place my stop loss, I'll be still placing my stop loss above this. Instead of me respecting this high, I'm not expecting price to come up here. Now, if I'm going to be entering here, like let's check on the monthly. You can see this is the bullish order block. Can you see this one candlestick? And another block doesn't mean the that last up close candle. No, that's not another block. Yeah, I'll be making more videos, and for you before then, for you to check more about the videos, other block, you can check out the Inner Circle Trader. He has more information about that. That's my mentor. So what I'm trying to say is, you can see this up close candlestick doesn't mean because of this bullish candlestick is still not another block. This you will only be able to learn it from. I'm planning on making some other videos on it, but you only learn this from experience, how to identify it and when to know it's valid or not. For me, I'm not expecting price to get back up here for now. Like not right now. I'm not expecting price. So if I'm going to be trading this breaker block, that is if I'm going to be entering my trade, if I'm getting in here, my stop loss here, I take profit here. I would love it to be 1+1. Oh, the prices have dropped when I was doing the initial analysis. Oh, should be 1+1, but right now I'm not willing to go to the stress of doing this stuff. But this is my target. I just have to be playing with you. I don't have to make it look perfect or try to sugarcoat this. I'm just letting you know, if I don't trade Bitcoin, but I'm just speaking as I have all this in my journal. I do every weekend review, so I have somewhere I keep all this in my book. What I'm looking up to happen in the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll talk a little bit about it in this video also. So I'm not trying to make it look so nice to you, or I'm just have to let you know, okay, these are the things I think should happen and what you should be expecting. That's just the main reason why I'm doing this video, not just to make it look perfect, look so like I'm not the one controlling the price. I'm only trying to read the tape according to what the price is doing. That is what I think the algorithm should be doing, and the algorithm it deliver price based on history, what has happened in the past. You need to study more about artificial intelligence for you to know how it really works, and it will really help you in your trading. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So I'm not expecting price to get back to this up. It's okay. In the next few weeks, we keep on having consolidation. It's okay. But I'm not expecting any form of consolidation anymore, as prices is already reacting to this other block. I'm expecting it to come down here before the ending of March. That is getting below this low, which is where liquidity are resting. That is sell-side liquidity are resting below this low. Now this is my initial on the daily. Now before time, so it doesn't look like I'm cherry picking or because that happened after the fight that I'm hand picking from chart. This 1 2 is a bearish order block to me. That is when I plot this out. This is a ultimate trade entry, that is the Fibonacci. I plot this out before time. That is, if price after breaking the market structure go back into this fair value gap, can you see this fair value gap high, fair value gap low, and we call this content encouragement. I don't want to talk about it, but just because I've mentioned, I just have to talk about it. But with that being said, let's forget about it. So let me go to the screenshot. Now this is the screenshot. Can you see? Let me see if I have a date. Okay. It was on the 27th of February this year, 3 p.m. I took the screenshot. Like I said, I used to do weekend review. I think that was on Sunday or something. So I was looking up to price to retrace back into this other block. Though I don't want to talk about that. I'm sorry. So I'm not looking for price to get above this high, like above this bullish order block. Now, why did I lose interest in this kind of trade? Is because I only want price to come back into this bullish order block and react to this fair value gap, and not getting up to this high. Getting up to this high, it was like a discouragement for me. It was not what I want the price to do. So me trying to look for any kind of form of trade or something will be lack of discipline or some to me. At least for a new trader, I'm still trying to keep up to my discipline and all. Hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. So price getting up to this high actually discouraged me from actually looking up to stuff. So I let the trade go. So I just have to check on Ethereum. This is Ethereum. I don't keep journal on Ethereum. I only keep journal on Bitcoin. So this is the same bullish order block on Ethereum. Can you see they move in tandem? They are highly correlated. I'll make a video on that, on what I mean by they move in tandem and they're highly correlated. Hopefully this video is not really boring to you yet. But if you keep on, there's a lot of things you'll be able to learn, and if you put in the work, you might be able to learn one or two things from how price is being delivered. So they came back to fill this fair value gap. You can see how they react to it. I don't have the screenshot of this, so it's okay for you to say I share pick it. But for the Bitcoin, I had the screenshot and I just showed the Bitcoin. I just showed the screenshot. You can see this was exactly what the same thing I was looking for in Bitcoin, but they went above the high, so I lost interest in it. You can see how they reacted to the Fibonacci ICT ultimate trade 62 retracement level, 70 and 79. See how they reacted to it, and they did what? Drop back. So let's get back to Bitcoin as I was explaining. So getting up to this level, I was not really interested in the trade anymore. Now let's watch it on the 27th. If I remember, well, I think it was Monday. 28th should be Tuesday. 21st, yes, no. 28th was Sunday. First was Monday, and second was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now there's a lot that there are some things the artificial intelligence, or let me call it AI, but let me just see the IBDA they use in delivering price That is what you should be expecting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you are much into Forex, you know more about it. Let's watch the same thing. If this is Monday, sorry, if this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, if you notice, most times the high or the low of the week is usually on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, this is Monday, Tuesday. You can see Tuesday is making the high of the week. Let's watch the same thing that happened the same week. Today, this is Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now that means Wednesday is making the high of the week. Can you see how price is being delivered? There's a lot of things that needs to be. So I actually brought this line out for the ultimate trade entry. This is the high coming from this high to this low. Let me bring it up. Just like to keep my chart somehow. I'm very sorry for that. So from this high to this low, you can see the ultimate trade entry, that is ICT 62 retracement level I'm looking for. So I'm not expecting price to go back up to this level anymore. Like with this current market structure and the way I'm expecting the price should be delivered by, if that I don't control it, what happens if they come to this high? Definitely then what I believe about what I think should happen is wrong, and that's fine. I'll keep it in my weekend journal. Okay, I was expecting this to happen, and it's failed. It's fine. As a new trader and someone that's also developing, you learn from failures and from pain most times. So I'm not expecting price to come according to what I've been seeing. I've been able to, the knowledge I've been able to gain from price. I'm not expecting price to come back to that level anymore. I'm expecting price to get to this level. This is not a financial advice or for you to go in and, okay, since price is not going back here, please stop loss or stop. No, it's all on you. So hopefully you are able to get one or two things from this video. I think I'll be able to cover everything I want to talk about. So in some other videos, I'll be talking more about the other blocks, what makes me believe, okay, this is where I believe this is other block, or this number of candlesticks. Okay, what make it more valid with the breaker, what do this and do that in some other videos, hopefully. So if you really enjoy this video, I know it's boring, but I'm very sorry for that. If you really enjoy this video, and I will really appreciate your subscription, subscribe, like the video, and probably share some comment. I really appreciate it to hear one or two things from you. Once I talk to you next time during the week, I wish you good luck and happy trading. Be safe.